This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the concept and assets. This matters because consistency keeps viewers engaged. Pick a theme, then curate 15 to 30 emojis that clearly represent clues. Once done, resize images to 1080 by 1080 for square platforms, and draft 10 to 15 questions with 3 choices each so polling works. Make sure to include 1 correct answer and 2 plausible distractors. This front-loading saves time in editing. Now you assemble the sequence in your editor and time every element so viewers can play. Start with a 3 to 5 second clue screen showing emojis only, then move to a 4 to 6 second answer card with labeled choices. Once done, stagger reveals. First show correct option, then a brief explanation. This teaches and it rewards. Make sure to add a simple countdown sound and use large, high-contrast text so answers read quickly. Pacing keeps retention high. Finally, export and prepare to publish. Correct specs prevent playback issues. Render H. 264 MP4 at 30 frames per second with an 8 to 12 Mbps bitrate for clean 1080p, and craft a bold thumbnail with a short title to boost clicks. Once uploaded, test on mobile to confirm legibility and timing. If answers cut off or captions misalign, reopen the project, nudge clip endpoints by 2 to 0, 5 seconds, then re-export. That small fix solves most sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.